Imagine Ethiopia's economy as a treasure chest that's been locked tight for years, brimming with potential, but hard to access. Now picture the Ethiopian Capital Market Authority tossing the keys to two homegrown firms, CBE Capital S.C. and Wegagen Capital Investment Bank S.C., and saying, "Make it happen." That's the scene unfolding right now. For the first time ever, Ethiopia has issued investment banking licenses, and it's not just a bureaucratic footnote. It's a historic step toward unlocking a new era of growth and opportunity. So, what's the fuss about? CBE Capital S.C., a subsidiary of the Commercial Bank of Ethiopia, the country's biggest lender, and Wegagen Capital Investment Bank S.C., tied to the only company listed on Ethiopia's stock exchange, just scored permits to operate as investment banks. These aren't your everyday banks that guard your savings. They're the financial world's matchmakers. They connect companies hungry for cash with investors ready to fund the next big thing, whether that's through stocks, bonds, or big-time mergers. But the party doesn't stop there. The regulator also handed out brokerage and advisory permits to Ethio-Fidelity Securities S.C., HST Investment Advisory Services PLC, and Equation Securities Investment Advisor PLC. It's like Ethiopia's financial toolbox just got a major upgrade. This isn't a random move. It's part of Ethiopia's broader plan to shake off its tightly controlled economic past and roll out the red carpet for foreign investment. For years, the country's financial system kept private capital on a short leash, even as Ethiopia clocked impressive GDP growth, over 6% in recent years. Now the government's pushing a liberalization agenda, modernizing markets and signaling to the world, we're open for business. And they're not stopping at these two licenses. Ethiopia's got its sights set on issuing up to 5 banking licenses to foreign investors over the next 5 years. It's a sign flashing, "Come invest here," to global players with deep pockets. Let's bring this down to earth. Picture a young entrepreneur in Addis Ababa with a killer idea, say, turning Ethiopia's coffee legacy into a global brand. Before, they'd hit a wall trying to find funding. Now, with CBE Capital and Wegagen Capital in the game, they've got a shot at pitching to investors who can make it happen. That's not just their win, it's jobs, growth, and a ripple effect for communities across the country. Big businesses win too. Ethiopian giants in agriculture or manufacturing can now tap into new funding streams. Think stocks or bonds, to build factories, boost exports, and create opportunities for everyday folks. More cash flowing in could mean more ladders for people to climb. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Opening up the economy wider can invite volatility. Financial markets are a roller coaster after all. Ethiopia's juggling inflation and debt already, so these reforms are a high-stakes bet. But the upside? The chance to deepen the financial system, spark innovation, and pull in the kind of investment that could transform the country. So, where's this headed? Will CBE Capital and Wegagen Capital lure international heavyweights to Ethiopia's doorstep? Could those extra permits for brokerage and advisory firms ignite a wave of homegrown financial savvy? And how will foreign banks shake things up when they arrive? For now, it's a moment of optimism, a chance for Ethiopia to flex its potential and show the world what it's made of. What do you think? Could this be the spark that lights up Ethiopia's economy, or are there challenges missing? Drop your thoughts. I'm all ears.